Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last puzzle of today, a Suguru, aka Tectonic Sudoku. Okay, so let's get started with the last Sudoku of the newspaper of Monday, March the 30th. So let's get started. Let me see, one single box, so this must be a 1. Then these two boxes cannot be a 1. There's my pencil, yes. These two cannot be a 1. We have a 1 here, so these two boxes could be a 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 there, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3, should be this one. That means we have a 3. These 4 boxes cannot be a 3. The only place for the 3 should be there. This area. This box cannot be a 1, so this box should be the 1. This should be a 4. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3, so this should be a 3. That should be a 3. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. We have a triple box. This cannot be a 1. We have a 1 there. So here 1 or there 1. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the only box for the 2 should be this one. Here we have a dual box. Box of 2. This should be a 1. So the 1 cannot be here, so the 1 could be here or there. We have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5. This could be a 5, or this could be a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, so these 2 boxes could be a 2. Oh, apologies again. I need more space here, otherwise I cannot walk. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so these 2 boxes could be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so these 2 boxes could be a 1, but we have a 1 there, so the only box for the 1 should be this one. This box cannot be a 5. We have a 5 there, so now we have a pair, 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. This box should be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. This box cannot also be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be this one. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left here is for the 1. So we have here 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. and I can suppose this is a 4, then I cannot place in one of those 2 boxes left for the 4 and a 5. So this cannot be a 4. This should be a 4. This should be a 2. We have here the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Alright, I mark this. 1. This should be a 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be a 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. No, we have a 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This should be a 5. 1 box left in this area for the 4. We have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. This should be a 2. 2 boxes left for the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, so this should be the 2 and this should be the 4. We have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5. This should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be the 4, so we have a pair. 1 and 4 there. This should be the 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. Suppose this box is a 2. Then I cannot fill in one of those 2 boxes with the 2. So this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2. Yes. We have a 4 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. This box could be the 4 and this box could be a 4. Then yes, 1, 1. We have a 1 here. This cannot be a 1. Here 1. This cannot be 1. So here could be a 1, or there could be a 1. If I place the 1 here, then I cannot fill in one of those 2 boxes a 1. So this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. Because I have here a 1, I cannot fill the 1 here. The 1 should be there. The 4 goes there. We have a 1 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 1. This box should be a 1. I need to know. 4, 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So we have 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This should be the 3 and a 5. I do not know which place. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. I need a break. Suppose this box should be a 3, then I cannot fill in these 2 boxes, one of them a 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3. In those 2 boxes, we have also there a 3, so no 3 here. So I cannot not fill in any box with a 3. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 5. This should be a 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be filled with the 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be this one. Here the 3 and the 2 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 boxes left in this area. For the 1, 1 is one of the missing number is a 1. I cannot fill the 1 here. We have a 1 there. I cannot fill the 1 there because we have a 1 here. The 1 goes here. 2 missing numbers. 4 and a 5. I cannot fill the 5 here. We have a 5 there, so the 5 goes here and the 4 goes there. The 5 we have here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. This box should be the 5. Here we have the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be the 5. This should be the 5. This should be the 4. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1, this box. 1, 2. This should be a 3, 4, and 5. Yes, this should be a 3. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be this one. The 5 and the 1 is missing. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. The 3, the 1, yes, in this area. We have a 1 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 4 should be one of these 2 boxes. In this area, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. I see there 1, so no 1 in this box. 1 box remains for the 1, should be here. Then the 1 cannot be here. The 1 cannot be there. The 1 cannot be here. So the 1 of these 2 boxes should be a 1. Let me mark this. Suppose the 1 we have here, one of those 2 boxes is a 1. Suppose this is a 1, then I cannot fill in one of those 2 boxes with a 1. So this cannot be a 1. This should be a 1. Here we have 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Suppose, no, not suppose. I need to wait. 5. Yeah, we have a pair. Look, 5 in. I cannot fill the 5 in one of those 2 boxes. 3 boxes. We have a 5 here, 5 there. So these 3 boxes cannot be filled with the 5. That means we have a pair, 3 and a 5, and a 3 and a 5 there. 1 box left for the 1. Should be this one. Here we have a 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. Suppose yes, we have 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. I cannot fill here a 2 or the 4 in this box. That means 1 digit left should be the 3, because we have already used the 1 and the 5. So this is a 3, 2 or the 4. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Here we have 2 and a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now here, the 3, I cannot fill the 3 here in those 2 boxes. And this box, we have a 3 there, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 5 are left for here. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. I cannot place the 3 here, so this should be a 2. We have a 3 here. This should be the 3. This should be the 4, and this should be the 2. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, people. If you like this Sudoku, Tectonic Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe if you like or if you want. download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you again for watching this episode, and keep on puzzling because we will meet again. Till next time. Thank you and bye bye.